5. The year of our Lord, the two for Yankopon was say. We don't say Ghana. Yeah, Kotoko Honson Kakra, and Menam Konso Kra na Abana. My senior man at more platform so about the latest assets and then Wednesday I know can say the latest commercial Asante Kotoko story about top on also no and the eba elfia and part of join and now unsubscribe ya know I hit the rest subscriber to so now about the man also near build it together information we are saying that open I was say yeah the barrel quick on the Super 24 TV Ghana Premier League, as we speak, a suspend, but the attendance say, you know, you still have to prepare because you entire league, it is suspension. It is suspension, it's not all crocodiles say you resume into all club no so when your preparations are obedaba now na egu abontin you'll be found wanting and then news it's a bit of a positive news for Kumasi Asante Kotoko because as we speak can say Tama Kotoko Ebo in Suatremana there were list players they were all injured. Nigeria because they were all injured. But can say so far apart from Emmanuel Cote and the injury, and then caught out for so many weeks about only the for the rest of the season and apart from that, all the other players, and ne Abeno can say Kotoko team gym work and now crowd more gym work. And only training it's because of Kotoko resume training and yes omoko adakwaja achine koye training me pacho muntie na yenhye no so training at the gym we are physical instructor near the identity omoko nante machines no so na omoko page na de ne kakra because over 1 week ni omo ball nti za we footballer na 1 week ni omo ball by the time I be back so ball no one na otone wafunu nyina ahyehye no titiri ene Kotoko e decide say training there Kotoko statement ye ba bonten after we ewu no even training first team training is suspended be training na eye enkoda no under 20 I say under 17 for under 16 no ye terminate youth team on be training all football activities, including training on the Adakoja training, is suspended for now. Per the letter, Krobia, Edebaye, but this week, which beginning from Enra, which was Tuesday, the information you cram and they say players, any technical team, omukoye gym work. Because untimi nka say ya suspend the league into utifie unye training na udi no wafu she na ya o say master abu abala no so o sere into training ne de Kotoko resume training but enye field training. That's news aba na ene no pa me the story bi by enyumre story no emu ahenya ekopa mera ho because maame no die eno no nkwa ne diska no udim me ka maame na oya GFA school no e frɛ maame bi gift oware ono na represent the female for no man ball no omo na represent omo nti oka GFA school no ho na oya executive director of national service scheme na national service scheme no ene information about ne say nipa be 81,000 ghost names ene ya finding Ti saa maame no na na ɛyɛ executive director nti ɛkɔba saa nhwehwɛmu ne ade nyinaa no ɛna yɛsi MPP fira mu since then no wakɔhyɛ aburukyiri nti GF4 no ɛsi ɔmo yɛ ESCO meeting a maame no ɛmma because wɔtu kwan akɔhyɛ aburukyiri nti GF4 no ayɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ by election na ɔmo bɛyɛ no na ɔmo de ato ba foforɔ na ɔmo ayi nipa foforɔ because maame no ntumi mma meeting no. This is a bit of sad news to me because sika dia ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ no bɛrɛ menya sure sɛ maame no nko a ne bi di sika no ɛyɛ mpɛmpii na ayɛ na ɛyɛ click ɛnɛ jobless ɛne master abu keke ɛne ali mo yes mia mini prime minister Tieku Kotoko and na nkɔmmɔdie bi kɔ so sɛ ɔmo a yɛde team ɛhyɛ ɔmo nsa especially wode ade ɛhyɛ ɔmo nsa no master abu kyerɛ mu sɛ emu ɛdɛ no ayɛ na adeɛ wɔ ho nti ɔmo ba na ɔmo enjoy a na ɔmo refi sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma but who enjoy a no aka sɛ team no amanfoɔ na follow anaasɛ dwumadi a yɛde ahyɛ wo nsa no ɛyɛ nipa bi na akoma ɛwom nti at least yɛ ne yie woyɛ na woyɛ ne yie a asɛm bi ani hɔ but nkofuo bi wɔ hɔ a wode adeɛ hyɛ ɔmo nsa ɔmo ba bɛdi sika potɔɔ na ɔmo asɛe nneɛma nti sɛ GFA saa slot no I'm told say currently a vacant. Yes, and there is going to be a by-election to decide on who are saying if the elections are run or qualifier or maybe we know about a bit of news or Kotoko camp also they say and the poly body was released by the Sunyane hospital no one say opera no they call hospital it's hospital for no had to do autopsy reports autopsy examination and I'm told say after doing the autopsy which indicated say the objects length in objects the wall was 7.5 centimeters. Yeah, that is what I'm gathering. 7.5 centimeters objects there the wall in na kuma mu so 3.5 centimeters and a run corner kuma such a wicked act. 3.5 and a corner kuma. So the blood which was clotted is about 1.5 liters of blood and it got clotted. It's easy to find and for police crack in CA. So we are told the body you really easy into a beba kumasena a bushia for the nakoshe kumasi mortuary so that a year than you draw and yes a body in a year to Nyane hospital near the Baba Yara Abeye a year. So it will be very simple. The part of what I say, it's the body not there. To say Sunya for hospital no nonsense, some neck crata, some bibiano, and need you Kasaya, a baby. Ya in your pulley on the February 2nd, and a far car, a coher ball, and ne, did not too much. A friend is saying, if you care, Muna, you didn't know Eba. Now, we are senior Kotoko supporter about quite friend jobless. You drop a jobless video, you are saying jobless now or react to Operano. Techian currently Techian the full details about the reaction and said the tender Kokama jobless. Any a lot of Kotoko supporters buofuno a fact say or it's got to do with the fact say tender no could make a comment say Asante Kotoko any harding internet nay harding in tender or sick na dear any Kotoko take advantage omo ne house for na omo de yese omo de bepe automatic support ewo the executive council no. Once apparently demands are looking forward to be met no. Eh so we dey am fan chame ma say sister Fia PM sister Fia on the board then nyom bi no aba fia oko bones show no so we ka me capture na mamo. Yeah, that's just by the way Steph. Yeah, after the show, you get in touch with her now. You hold your call. Now, tender say, on again, but the heydays of Asante Kotoko ne Accra folk no is way gone. And the mood demand is automatically they should be on the answer no. It is dead on arrival. They shouldn't take the death of Pole to be making such audacious claims. You get it? And somehow insult. Tell say saa Kotoko no ene yehuno no inti saa audacious claim no it is not going to be accepted. Shelly say hi. Hey, I see you baby. Shelly, mami who baby a wo no watro hi ni free na. Me video ni we are then we get in touch. Are you see? Shelly, mami who baby a what? Me name so we dey ho nsem ta. Enti no free ban or person to say clubs mienu o ma daache and one demands ni nyina ya adwen with the exception of say automatically esco no so once demands no it entails of let's say security measures, VAT issues, so many issues, but tell them who to say automatic qualification to the esco ne dey ekobasa na no matisi other clubs nti and that interview or Grantino, I think Kisben TV. So that's some of Kokano and the trigger jobless. About jobless, ever kick an average tender in the video I post here. And jobless basically result as a without Kotoko and has Ghana football cannot move. And tender a shaman for before Kotoko can decide to go and play in the Cote d'Ivoire League. And now say Kobia can decide to go and play in the Togo League. Ali Musa at ISI reference. No, but to be real honest, Kotoko, every Ghana League Numa League Nego only has. So Mumu ba Kufrima, the league is almost dead. It will be difficult to find a club and an energy no be match Asante Kotoko and Asa Accra to have that feel. To the executive committee for them penny for more football tender say or the CEO and I say general manager of Adriana Obiena Numka say Kotoko ne has a boba yen sheni sisi asema okan I can point him out so obwa Yongo fobo boom follow Ghana League no Kotoko ne has a buy amumra baba yara na mumbe and I say Kotoko ne just mere ordinary clubs ne boa there be any Gold Stars Karela Vision FC Monia they are hit this season VIP Hona ye must ding. And currently as we speak, Sakotoko away games no these clubs say koba or move VIPs, the whole stadiums. Man. You get it? Inti ube mekisa comments be say na no respect and I'm person the bema kobia Asante Kotoko. Sakotoko throughout the entirety of the season. Adriana minim game obe hosting wo mukrum obenyeska more than obenyeska with Kotoko ne has. You get it? Yo, PSA. The senior man and I may halano. So it's the okay, it is a bit unfortunate, and the replier will never free jobless or no. Jobless to be of fire, but on this score, I think say many jobless. Yeah, but see in Cote d'Ivoire, and I said to go in Kobo League, the jobless Miss Row, no dear Arabraka. Kobasana, it will bring a whole lot of cost onto dear Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That's what I said. So Midemu besia na nyina kotoa de so, but the news of the day is that Asante Kotoko resume training, which is not on-field training, but it is a training na omu training in the gym. In the gym. Master Abu say this is good. Welcoming news Kotoko players na shape training na say. Mamin Sanka say Ghana football no ebe resume after maybe based on nkɔmɔ a yɛtete ne deɛ after pole 1 week na ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ Barbaria Sports Stadium this weekend ɛda anim no ɛyɛ na ɛyie no the following week ɛna Ghana football ɛno koraa MTN FA Cup ɛna metete sɛ yɛde bɛ resume sa Kotoko finally agye tum sɛ sɛ deɛ nhyehyɛeɛ no ɔmo agye atum deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ Kotoko ne secondary 11 wise ɛbɛbɔ ɛwɔ Barbaria Sports Stadium. This is a conk news metete method bi asem na ba fresh say ayana any bread no ano eden but with time no ye nyina no ye be healy na de wo say ye de to bia no ye de ato ama kro bi Asante Kotoko enya ne fa hodie mimire mi hu ne say ade bia no say ba be sorry pa ye ko ofa neomam hu ne say Kotoko enche be sorry I compete with the likes of Al Ali any experience mo enyina ewo ho yes otumfo nyankopon emayenti ase ye be sa ehia mechia me mpanyefo nya efrem ma super 24 TV na me di me dwuma